So let's start with the summary part. Force. A force is a push or a pull or both. A force cannot be seen, but we can feel and observe the effects of the force. So it is push and pull. A force to move an object away from our bodies. A pull is when we apply a force to move an object towards our body. So the combination of push and pull, that is playing a guitar, sawing wood, scrubbing the floor and rowing a boat. Then we have seen the types of forces. There are two main types of forces. They are contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces are forces exerted by one object on another when they come in contact with each other. Which are those two types? That is muscular force and force of friction. Then second, that is non-contact forces are exerted by one object on another without any contact with each other. There are different three types, and they are magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. Then we have learned force could be a push or pull. A force arises due to the interaction between two objects. Force has magnitude as well as direction. A change in the speed of an object or the direction of its motion, or both, implies change in its state of motion. Then we have seen force acting on an object may cause a change in its states of motion or change in its shape. A force can act on an object with or without being in contact with it. Force per unit area is called pressure. Liquid and gases exert pressure on the walls of their containers. The pressure exerted by air around us is known as atmospheric pressure. So we have studied about atmospheric pressure, that is the force exerted by air around us, and that is known as atmospheric pressure. Then let us see the question answers. This is the filling the blanks which you are going to write down in your science notebook. Then these are the one word question answers which you are going to write down in your science notebook. This is long answer type question. Even this you are going to write down in your science notebook.